Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. So I started the week off by making a huge pan of stuffed peppers with some steamed potatoes. It was so delicious. Then I decided to whip up some homemade granola. I think that making your own granola makes perfect sense because it is really expensive in the grocery store. And you can really make granola out of everything that you like. So if you like raisins, you like craisins, you like dried apples. And in my case, I'm just using what I have at home. So I've got some oatmeal. I had a large amount of walnuts. I'm adding in a half a can of unsweetened applesauce. And then to it, I added in, I believe I either used cinnamon or I used pumpkin spice mix. Either one will work. I add in just a little bit of vanilla, which I don't think I actually got recorded. I did honey. I did maple syrup. And then you just want to combine all of your ingredients. You can do pumpkin puree. I've done peanut butter. Now things like chocolate chips, things that do melt, I add them into the mix like at the end. So if that's something that you like in your granola mix, things that will like super melt. I wait till my granola is completely done and baked and nice and toasty and brown. And then I will combine in those items that can melt. Because I know that sometimes you have to put a little bit of chocolate in something for kids to enjoy it. So I'm going to put it out on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees for an hour, and every 15 minutes I'm going to stir it until it's nice and good and browned. Now, once this comes out of the oven, let it cool completely and just put it in an airtight container. And I just eat on it. I love to put it on my yogurts. I love to eat it by itself as a snack. It's really delicious. Now, to ensure that I have a grab and go breakfast that is healthy, I love these little containers. I know they are fall themed, but that does not matter. They still serve the purpose. And I layer in frozen blueberries, my yogurt, my granola, and then I place the lid on them and I put them in the refrigerator. And every morning I have a yogurt to grab. And this is awesome because you can make as many of these up as you want. I only had so many jars, but I can tell you I love the grab and go method because it ensures that I get something healthy in me in the morning and I don't have to prep. I don't have to make anything in the mornings. It's already made for me. Just grab it, open it, grab a spoon, healthy breakfast. That's the way I like it. Now I'm going to make up some beef enchiladas. I thought I would share this with you all, a little bit of how I do it. Basically, I just brown up a pound, maybe a pound and a half of ground beef. I drain it real good. I add in taco seasoning, whatever kind of taco seasoning that you like. And then I just put it in flour tortillas and roll them up. Now, the only thing that I would do different that I did not do when I made this in this video is put some of the enchilada sauce in the bottom of the 9x13 before I rolled these up. But it still came out really good and delicious. I have no complaints. So here I am. I'm just filling up my 9x13 with rolled tortillas with the ground beef. I'm going to add over the top a large can of red enchilada sauce, not the verde, but the red. And then I'm just going to top with some Fiesta blend cheese. Pop it in the oven till it's nice and bubbly. And it is amazing. Super easy. Oh my gosh, so delicious. I topped with a little bit of hot salsa and some sour cream. In these cold days, I cannot resist baking bread, so I made some challah bread to go with some soup that I am making. So I'm showing you my challah bread here. I'm going to cut it. This is by far, in my opinion, the most easiest bread recipe there is to make, and it is delicious. I will leave the link to my recipe down below. There it is cut. I also made some butter. This is the recipe for the Texas Roadhouse butter. I will leave that link to that recipe down below in this video in the description box. Super easy to make. Oh my goodness, takes this bread to a whole nother level. It is so, so good. But I made a giant crock pot of my potatoes, sausage, and spinach soup. I will also link that recipe. This was filling. This was comfort food at its finest. And if you don't make anything else in this video, make this soup. It is so good. Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. Today is Friday the 24th. It is my husband's birthday today. I thought I would just come in and say hello to you guys. I know that I have not done a lot of one-on-one with the camera. Usually you're seeing my hands or me cleaning and I'm doing a voiceover. I thought I would just step in and say hi. So as you guys can tell, I have been doing my very best to get out 3 videos every single week, and I just kind of want to give you an update. My goal is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for video releases. And you know what? I've decided that I'm not going to be overly picky about what is being released, how long it is, if it's popular or not popular. I am just going to put out content that so you guys know I'm still living and everything is good and all of the above. We have been frozen in for what seems like forever. I did get to go out and go to Target and to the Dollar Tree a little bit, and it's starting to thaw and warm up. I think I said in a recent video that you all seen, my washer went out. They tried to deliver it. That did not work because their transmission went out on their truck, and now they're delivering it supposedly today, which I'm hoping happens. Also, too, I have been wanting to at least get one cleaning video out for you guys. Now, there might be cleaning in other videos that I put out, but I would like to have one that might be like a restart for the refresh for the weekend or for the week or whatever. I'd like to get that out to you guys every single week. I am doing my best to motivate myself to do things, to not really do things because I do them. But a lot of people will think that, oh, it's so simple, easy to record yourself with everything that you do. Well, you might be able to do that and you might have like 8 hours of video content and then you have to go through that and edit it down or speed it up or do a voiceover. And that can sometimes take 3 hours to do. And I'm visually impaired, so it takes me a little bit longer to actually do. Just a little. But I'm also sharing with you guys, I asked you all at the beginning of this year, what are some of the things that you all desire to see in this year, 2025? And a lot of you guys were like, day in a life, what is for dinner videos, all those kinds of things that I usually do, cleaning videos. So I aim to please. So I'm going to try to share with you everything that I cook through the week. Even if we go out to eat, I'm going to share with you guys what we're eating. I also want to say that Ronnie and I want to start a new health journey. Now, does this mean that we're never going to McDonald's ever again? Probably not. But I do want to share a little bit, like some videos of what we do to stay healthier, healthier, and to eat right and to do right, because it is hard. It is hard to do, especially during this winter time, because all you do is sit inside, and when you're not house cleaning and you're not paying bills and you're not snow shoveling the the snow away, you're eating, you're cooking, and you're eating. And I'm aware of it, that I put on weight, and I'll confess it. And I need to lose a few pounds, especially for spring. We all could lose a few pounds. I'm not saying we're going to lose 100 pounds. I'm just saying we're going to eat a little bit healthier. And I want to share that with you guys a little bit on this channel. And so anyways, I'm going to shut my jaws. I'm going to go in the kitchen. I'm going to bake my husband a birthday cake. He wants a vanilla cake with homemade vanilla icing and sprinkles. He is easy to please, and that's what he wants. We're also going to have some homemade spaghetti tonight, and that is what we're having for his birthday. Now, tomorrow night, we will be going out to eat. We are going to be going to, if nothing blows up, you know how life is, right? We are planning to go to a Mexican restaurant that we love in South Point, Ohio, with some friends for his birthday. That is the plan. Usually we go out of town and we venture out and we do, but with all this horrendous weather, plus our friend's life has kind of changed a little bit with job, and he has to drive further to go to work and all that kind of thing. So we put it off, going out of town this year, which is okay with us, but we're still going to go out. We're still going to have a good time, and I'm going to show you guys what we eat in this video. So this is kind of a catch up a little bit for you guys, and I hope y'all are doing well and staying warm and safe. I'm going to get in the kitchen, get cracking on this birthday cake. So now we're going to wrap up this video by sharing with you what we had for Ronnie's birthday. So obviously I made him his cake with sprinkles, and then I gave him a choice of pasta. He likes elbow macaroni, and I baked it in the oven. I made some garlic knots with a can of biscuits. You tie each piece in a knot. You brush it with butter and garlic, bake those till those are done. So Ronnie enjoyed his birthday with steak fajitas. We had burritos, Speedy Gonzales, tacos in the works. Ronnie ended his birthday with fried ice cream and a good song. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you a part of Heidi's Home. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fantastic week. Bye, guys. Oh, here they come. Don't lean forward.